Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to correct all the same mistaken words at once in Notepad of Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, open the Notepad software that is pre-installed in your every Windows computer. So you can see here the Notepad application. So here I will type some words like say fruit, mango, grapes, chili, garlic, tea, garlic again. So here you can see, suppose to give you an example, I have two mistaken words. This is a garlic, so here is the two same mistakes, right? So if you type multiple words, then still it's difficult to find out the same mistakes that you have made on the respective sentence. I'm just giving you for an example. So say I have two mistaken words here. Right now you can count, but if you have multiple words or a very big lengthy words or sentences, then it finds difficult for everyone to find each and every mistaken words. So for this you can just do a trick. So you can go to the edit, and here you can see here option here, replace, or you can just press Ctrl H, or you can just press Ctrl H on your computer keyboard to access this replace. So you can see here, so I made a mistake on one word, that is a garlic, so it should be a garlic, right? So I'll just type garlic, right? So and I want to replace with a name garlic, right? So after typing replace with the name, you can see your option replace. So if you click on replace, it will just replace the first one, but if you click on the replace all, then it will replace all the same mistaken words. So let me click on the replace all. Voila, now you can see the garlic has become garlic. So this is how you can easily fix or correct all the same mistaken words at once in Notepad of Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.